GOEBEL Go 12R. A particularly popular kind of fastening is riveting. The ratchet rivet cannon is one of the most commonly used instruments for working with them. The Eiffel Tower alone required roughly 2.5 million rivets. You are actually seeing that on your screen. Working in small places is one of the tool's key advantages. It weighs 2.4 pounds and is 7.3 inches long. It works with rivets that range in diameter from 0.1 to 0.25 inches and can be made on anything from aluminum to stainless steel. This useful item costs $203, according to the manufacturer. MX Transport Trolley. Although it appears straightforward, this Swiss trolley actually makes the job much simpler thanks to its 948-pound load capacity and 53-gallon containers for mortars, bulk materials, and etc. It has a safety hook and a 4-point locking system, is simple to move by crane, and folds flat for small. FEDA lifting utils. Italy has found out how to make any city's improvement process more enjoyable and simple. A local business has developed a mechanism specifically for lifting and moving bulky manhole covers. The system is offered in 3 different configurations: magnetic, mechanical, and hybrid. It can raise coverings up to 50 inches wide and 265 pounds in weight, regardless of shape. There is no risk of injury because the operator has good posture. The hook system helps not just with unlocking, but also with transferring loads that the magnets are unable to pick up. HYMACH. This equipment for cutting grass, trimming trees, and performing other similar tasks is another innovation from Italy. The manufacturers are sure that the product will appeal to a broad spectrum of users, including gardeners, firefighters, construction workers, and even the military. The company currently offers a series with models ranging from a small 25 horsepower model to a powerful 75 horsepower model. The standout feature is the availability of accessories. It can be used with a lawnmower, brush cutter, snowblower, and more. Even on slopes of 55 degrees, the equipment is designed to keep the operator safe. Each track could, for instance, extend to the side. The device may be operated remotely, and if something goes wrong, the system will immediately alert the controller. HTS Eco-Skate ROTO. You may observe a useful and straightforward load-carrying system developed by German engineers. In fact, practically any weight, like a container, transforms into a type of trolley. Many employees will find a 360-degree rotation appealing alone. You could believe that this invention is insignificant in comparison to earlier advancements. But what if we told you that depending on the model, this platform can support loads weighing between 1,980 pounds and 22,050 pounds. Additionally, you can make several platform iterations and upgrade them by, for instance, partially locking the wheels. Additionally, the company is willing to construct customized versions upon request for tasks that the conventional models are unable to complete. BaSt-Ing Valfast. We are in Germany, which in 2020 managed to log more than ever before. These felling wedges are in demand because of the 3 billion cubic feet in question and a 42.6% rise in timber exports. Because it supports the use of both an impact wrench and the standard lever, this device is simple to operate. The maximum lifting height is 3.2 inches, and the lifting capacity is 57,320 pounds. Given that the wedge weighs 13.2 pounds, working alone is comfortable. The model provides a great grip and doesn't fall even while working at the power limit, because the shape is a natural continuation of the concept of other similar wedges. Northern Industrial Hand Truck. An American-made tool is intended to improve warehouse productivity and make employees' jobs easier. These hand trucks are available from a nearby business for quick delivery of items. The Model 6 wheels are its most distinctive feature. They make stair climbing and descending easier. The hand truck itself weighs 30 pounds, but the load capacity is 550 pounds. According to the manufacturer, it is built of steel and has specifically designed rubber wheels. For just $150, it is possible to make daily loading and unloading easier. Northern Tool Roughneck. These lifting tongs are also made in the United States. The country's imports of tropical hardwood increased by 21% in March 2022, setting a record that has stood for more than 10 years. This piece of machinery will undoubtedly be very helpful to the timber business. After the tongs are mounted, a variety of equipment, including bobcat forklifts, may rapidly and easily transport logs, weighing up to 2,200 pounds. This is the ideal tool, according to one client, if you don't want to spend thousands of dollars on a hydraulic log grabber attachment, because the lifting tongs only cost $160. Dipperfox. In Estonia, people are also skilled at performing practical and helpful tasks. This brilliant stump removal technology has been developed by them. Now, instead of taking hours, the work may be completed in seconds. The idea of smart work is what motivates the 850 Pro. It completes the task quickly while also preserving the environment. It has a top speed of 180 stumps per hour and can be installed on skid steers and excavators weighing up to 30,864 pounds. Both cities and forests benefit from the device's performance. The space may be cleared and ready for future tree planting without the use of any additional equipment. Upon the client's request, the price is disclosed. Beach cleaner CERNIA. The global bank says that each year, people make more than 4 trillion pounds of trash that can be thrown away. Unfortunately, this trash is everywhere, and you can frequently see bottles, cans, potato chip boxes, and other items on beaches. Fortunately, this technology, which was manufactured in Italy, is prepared to assist with beach cleanup. It is possible to establish a working depth of up to 6 inches using this equipment, which is installed on a small tractor. It is suitable for seashores and can hold large amounts of trash. The cleaning pace is up to 75,000 square feet per hour, and the package comes with 2 sieve options with large and fine mesh. Zoo Universal Formwork. Construction workers from Poland are not far behind. They find this slip from a nearby wholesaler, useful for their gardening work. The approach enables the creation of retaining walls using both curved and straight curves. It weighs 20 pounds and has a normal height of 29.5 inches. The manufacturer is certain that this process guarantees effective material utilization, enhances quality, and reduces work time. The cost at retail is $495. Uline striping paint machine. Which nation has the largest network of roads? The United States has about 4.5 million miles of road. It makes sense that a US team would provide this striping apparatus. Parking lot striping should be renewed annually, according to experts. You can change the line's width from 2 to 4 inches. Additionally, the business offers 5 paint colors and guarantees that the line will be ready in 30 minutes to be driven on or walked on. There is no need to go back and forth to reload because the tray can hold 12 cans at once. The machine costs $160 and a can of paint costs an additional $9. Baron Easy Up. It should come as no surprise that this instrument that makes it simple and quick to remove pavement blocks has appeared in this nation, since this is where Lego was created, with the help of experts from Denmark, right? The layout is extremely basic. The device ensures safe use for the back and joints while lowering the possibility of unintentional pavement damage. It is comprised of rubber and aluminum, and the maker places a strong emphasis on the block's comfort and tight grip. However, the cost is roughly $158. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.